Hello, my name is Markanko Kwok. You guys know me as Mark, and this is a presentation on climate change. First question: what is climate change? Like, why do I care? What is this thing? First of all, climate change is the gradual change of temperature in the Earth's atmosphere and climate. You might be thinking, why does this matter? This doesn't exist right now. This is obviously fake. To answer your question, this is actually very, very true. This is nothing fake. This is actually happening right now. This has been happening at least since the 1800s, when the Industrial Revolution started coming in. The Industrial Revolution is actually the time where technology is being created. This is like the best time for technology, probably the worst time for the climate. There's one example, such as when it started, there's so much black air that it was basically harder to breathe at the time. It might sound ridiculous, might sound fake, but yes, this was definitely due to factories and the gradual thing called the Industrial Revolution. Well, other things that have caused this are things such as fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are one of the biggest things that have caused this. Cars, planes, ships, tanks, trucks, big things. These big things are gas guzzlers. These things are major things that have carried coal, gas, oil. They're polluting the air crazily. Basically, these things are one big problem and one of the biggest causes of climate change. Another one is deforestation. Deforestation has caused tons of forests to be cut down gradually. This is due to humans lumbering away these trees, getting them for their wood. One famous example is the Amazon rainforest, which has, if you look up any photo of it, comparison from back then to now, you can see that there are far more areas of empty spots, basically, in the rainforest, where there are less trees than there were before. These two are major problems. There's another one. Due to these rising temperatures, the effects is the melting ice caps. These melting ice caps will be detrimental due to the fact that these will raise the ocean levels. The ocean levels are going up now, right now. They're gonna be going up by 2100, several levels, and 4 degrees will be going up. This is to where major ocean cities, coastline cities. Why am I saying ocean cities? Because these will end up being under the ocean at this point. Just be at the bottom due to the fact of climate change. You might be thinking, I don't want that to happen. What should I do? Like, what can be done if this is actually real? If you still don't believe me, well, I can't change your mind too much more. Well, some solutions we could do is to find energy efficient things. Energy efficient cars, energy efficient ways. Like, some things could be like use less electricity. Spend more efficient ways doing things. Instead of pushing your laundry in the washer and dryer, you can push it by washing it by hand and drying it, sun drying it. There's also more efficient cars. Nowadays, there's such thing as electric cars, which have saved on gas and coal, but honestly are not super effective because not many people are using them yet. That's just too expensive at the moment. But yes, there are several solutions that we can put up, and we are putting up. This is very good for the environment with solutions. And if we can keep this up, we can actually make a crazy good change to where maybe we coastline cities may not be ocean cities at the end. Hopefully, this won't be happening, and we can actually gradually resolve these. I'd like to say that I think we can. We definitely can make a difference by simple things as walking instead of driving and things like that. thank you for listening to the presentation.